giant pandas, dragons, and shoe brocade. This is the Intangible Cultural Heritage Hall inside the Atlas Village of Chengdu Universiade. I'm joined by Joanna, who is a volunteer of the Universiade. I'm very curious, what are those umbrellas here?
This is oil painting umbrellas. Just give a gesture of openness.
Wow, Joanna, this is so amazing. I can see deer on this side
Yeah.
and the humans on the other side.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is shoe embroidery. You can see this is mother and the son, and this side is also the mother and the son. Just very incredible. Just one people sit inside and another people sit this side. They use the same needle to complete this picture. It's so wonderful.
I know that Sichuan is very famous for tea, and this teapot seems very different from what we use in our daily life. What is this?
Yes, this teapot is made in the Yunjing, and it's completed to put in the fire to burn, and it's very special. We can see they have its own feature. In this area, we can see bamboo also can be made.
And pandas.
Yeah, pandas. We can also use the bamboo to make the teapot and to be used in our daily life. This picture is also made by bamboo. You can see they are so cute, right? Bamboo will be painting different colors and just to complete this picture. This painting is by bamboo weaving. It's very dedicated, so you can see that it's a market. They will do business, or they play in a car, or they have a tea with their friends.
Finally, I see the dragon over here.
Yes, in Chinese Spring Festival, we will hold the dragon dance to give a wish to the next year.
During the Chengdu Universiade, athletes from all over the world could come to the Intangible Cultural Heritage Hall to explore the journey of the beautiful Chinese culture here and enjoy their stay in Chengdu.
我们的非物质文化遗产就是从我们的这块土地上面长出来的，土生土长的文化。这种文化可能浸润着我们整个的生活。外国人来到我们这里的非遗展厅，其实最能够体会我们的生活。
I like very much those very beautiful curtains. Those are really nice, like a lot of details. That's really cool.
The traditional dresses, you know, because that's first time I see it. It's different from my culture, you know. It's so different.
Yeah, I really like this stone teapot. I think it looks really cool.
I love pandas. I love pandas so much because it's very Asian animals. I want to know more about Chinese culture.
First time to China and having a great experience. We love it. It's very unique and different to back home in Australia.